Well, I finally got some more work done on the little Bing horizontal engine. Unfortunately, the weather's been pretty lousy here in the UK. It's December 2025 and it's been either too wet or too cold to get outside and do some painting. But the sun came out, got dry and it warmed up, and I was able to do what I needed to do, which is basically paint the firebox, the chimney support and the chimney. So they've been done. I've also, as you can see, cleaned up the boiler and reattached the little tab that holds it onto the firebox. So that's now been refitted and that's all okay. And I'm starting on the engine. I've managed to strip the engine down and I've started the clean-up process. So that's the next thing. I'm really going to. I don't think the paint on the flywheel is original because it's coming off. So I think that's probably not. So I'm going to strip that off and repaint that, and then clean up everything else. But yes, it is finally coming along. I decided against taking the lithograph plate, which is metal, off of the wooden base because I tried to extract the panel pins in a couple of places, but as soon as you get anything near them, the lithograph print flakes off. It's very, very delicate. So I thought, no, I'll leave it, and I've basically just sanded the wood with it in place and then re-oiled it, and it's all right. It's not too bad at all. Like I said, this is a sympathetic restoration. I'm not going to go all out on it because I want to keep as much as what is on the lithograph plate, the lithograph print, as I possibly can. The base for the engine has been etch primed. I'm not quite sure what colour to do that. I need to go and look at similar engines, similar Bing engines, and see whether I can get an idea for the colour. But yeah, it's coming along. Everything has been cleaned and painted, all the bits that needed to have that done, and it's time to put it back together, assuming I can remember how it goes back together. I've got some photographs, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, let's hopefully get it back together. The little Bing engine is finally finished. This has been a long project for a couple of reasons. One, the weather's been lousy, so I haven't been able to get outside and paint the parts that needed to be painted. But also I've been doing other projects. I've had model steam engines from Sterling Kit to review, and I've had some air rifle stuff to do, so this has kind of been put on the back burner. But I finally got a chance to get it all back together. I got the parts painted and it's all right. It's turned out quite nicely. I'm very pleased with it, actually. As I said, this is a sympathetic restoration. I wanted to preserve as much of the lithograph print as possible, which I think I've managed to do, but then also clean up the other stuff and prevent it from decaying further. Now, one thing I haven't done, as you can clearly see, I'll close in on it. There we go. I haven't painted the flywheel. Now, the reason for that was the paint came off it very easily, so I don't think it was original paint. And yes, I could have repainted it, but I have no idea what colour it was originally. But I haven't polished the flywheel. That was just taking the paint off, and it cleaned up so nicely. And the nickel plate on the outside of the flywheel is very good and very much intact. And I quite liked it, so I've left it. I left it like that. And I also like the uprights, the little pillars for the guardrail. They would have probably been originally painted as well, but I decided just to leave them as they are because I think it looks quite nice. So the question is, does it work? Well, I have actually run it on air. I wasn't really expecting any problems. These early German, turn of the century German engines, they are superb. They're very, very well made, very well engineered. And this one has got a proper slide valve on it, and I oiled it all up, connected it up, and it went straight away, ran to it straight away, no problem at all, down to about 10 psi. Probably run lower than that once it's had a chance to, all the lubrication's had a chance to free everything up. But yeah, it runs absolutely fine. So all we've got left to do then is see if it will run on steam. Now, as I've said on many times before, doesn't necessarily mean that just because it runs on air it will run on steam, but I'm fairly confident that this one will do. Now obviously I don't have a burner for it, and I wouldn't, even if I did, I wouldn't use it. I will use a small Bix gas burner, as I always do, because it keeps the engine nice and clean. So let's get on and do that. The gas burner is alight. We've got 200 millilitres of water in the boiler. I don't know the capacity of the boiler, I didn't do that first, so I thought we'll err on the side of caution. 200 millilitres is plenty for a small boiler like that. So we'll just wait for it to get up to pressure and see if it works. I think we're very nearly there. Let's close in on it a little bit. Give it a spin. Oh yeah, we're definitely there. No problem. Oh dear. I've got the gas burner turned right down as well, so turn it down a little bit more. Isn't that lovely? Yeah, no problem at all. These are lovely little engines. These are early 1900s German engines. I mean, this is a Bing, but they're all great. They're all fantastic. So, no problem at all with that. See if the whistle works. Yeah, whistle works superbly. Excellent. There's absolutely nothing at all wrong with that. Quite sensitive to the gas. Very pleased. Bit of a bird's eye view there. Use the whistle as a regulator. Works quite well. Lovely job. We'll probably let off a little bit too much pressure on that one. Never mind. There we go. Lovely. The horizontal Bing engine running like a treat for the first time under steam since I rebuilt it. If you're into model steam engines, you really want to get yourself an early 1900s German engine. They are just fantastic. So let's turn the gas off. There we go. Well, I guess that'll be about it. As always, hope you've enjoyed the video and thanks very much for watching. Cheers.